In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of uniQure NV. uniQure is a biotechnology company focused on gene therapies, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker QURE. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker QURE to locate the uniQure NV listing and select the correct stock from the results. Open the asset page to read basic company information and view the price chart. Then confirm that the listing clearly matches uniQure NV to ensure it is the right stock. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session depending on order type. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can complete. Once the order is executed, you will see the position in your portfolio and holdings list. If you want to follow this example, the eToro link is in the description.